Boost your reading skills. Syntactic chunking magic. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on reading comprehension strategies. Today, we are going to explore a crucial tool called syntactic chunking, which can dramatically improve your reading speed and fluency. Let's unlock the magic of this technique. Syntactic chunking is a reading technique that involves breaking down complex sentences into smaller, manageable parts, or chunks. These chunks are formed based on syntactic rules or grammar patterns in the language. This strategy can enhance your comprehension and speed up your reading by helping you to process information more efficiently. When we read, we don't just look at one word at a time. We read several words together, in units. And the better we get at recognizing these chunks, the faster and more accurately we can read. In a nutshell, syntactic chunking can increase your reading speed and fluency, aiding in efficient comprehension of the text. Syntactic chunking is all about understanding and recognizing the natural units of language. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can implement this strategy. 1. Identify phrases and clauses. Start by identifying phrases, a group of words, and clauses, a group of words with a subject and a verb, in the sentence. These often form the chunks in a sentence. 2. Use punctuation and conjunctions. Punctuation marks and conjunctions, like, and, but, or, often indicate where one chunk ends and another begins. 3. Practice with different texts. Practice this technique with different types of texts, like news articles, novels, or scientific papers, to get familiar with various writing styles and syntactic structures. Remember, the goal isn't to split the text into individual words, but into meaningful groups of words that make sense together. Let's illustrate this with an example. Original sentence. Though she was tired, she still finished all her assignments on time. Syntactically chunked. Though she was tired, she still finished all her assignments on time. In this case, the sentence is divided into 3 chunks, each making sense on its own and each following the syntax of the language. And there you have it, the power of syntactic chunking. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, it'll become second nature. By embracing this strategy, you're not just becoming a faster reader, you're becoming a more effective one. Keep practicing and stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into other reading comprehension strategies. Happy reading, everyone!